Well, the next step in your panel process is sharing your design. How do you get that information to other people? Panel Planner has a variety of tools. Under the file menu is an option called Export, and that allows you to create a file that you can email, a JPEG, a PDF, that you can send and let people see either your instruments or your cutouts and be able to get input back on what your panel looks like. And you can have it, as I mentioned, in the bitmap format, which is like JPEG, PNG, allows you to put it on a web page, or you can have it in high vector format. And all of that you can take to a printer and have them print out a large format. When you print inside a panel planner, you can actually see that there is abilities, again, to create a file that you can export. What I would recommend, someone has a large plotter. Places like FedEx Kinko's has plotters, or Office Max, and you can send that image and have that printed out full size, again, to lay on your aircraft. Under the export is also a export DXF. That's where you get your CAD file for doing machining. And so when you're doing that export, you'll see there's a variety of settings. The most powerful of those settings, I believe, is where you can select the subpanel that you want to do. So that if you want to do just the pilot, or you want to do the avionics, or you want to do the co-pilot, you can do them in segments by selecting the segment subpanel that you want to export. You can also export the holes. So if you want to have a separate cutout for your yoke holes or for your mounting screws, all of that are separate. And when you export, you can have your software give you separate files for each one of those. So you'll find that under export, and this, again, all these tools are there for you to take your designs and share them. You can share them with an avionics shop, a friend, someone else who's an owner in your aircraft. But sharing your design is part of the process of using the panel planner, and we will be, again, glad to support you in getting that information out. Again, just call us or email us. Thank you.